everybody, my name is Charlotte Flowers. I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist with ENBYNYC, and I am also a transgender woman myself. And today I'm going to be unboxing ENBYNYC's Dryness Well Kit. So in the kit, you get the Weak Clarifying Facial Cleanser and Non-Abrasive Exfoliator, the Co-Replenish Glow Serum, the Detox Pineapple and Papaya Enzyme Mask, the nourish Sunscreen and AM Moisturizer, the Restore PM Cream. You also get this card with the directions on how to use the products. I've been using these products and my skin is very glowy and it is so moisturized. It feels amazing. And make sure you're following ENBYNYC on all social media platforms.